Hey fam, have you checked out the new POCO M6 5G yet? It's rocking that sleek Orion blue vibe. With a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chip, this phone's got speed. And check this, it has a whopping 16 GB of RAM. Enjoy crisp visuals with its 6.74 HD Plus display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Oh, and it boasts a silky smooth 90Hz refresh rate. Nice, right? 5000 mAh battery? You'll never worry about power again. Capture everything with its amazing 50MP AI dual camera. It even has a night mode for those late-night vibes. I mean, who doesn't love a good time-lapse and classic film filter? Fast side fingerprint access. Efficient and secure. Don't miss out, guys. Grab the POCO M6 5G now.